Carlos Anayas at Econ Learning Center Credit Boost, Mentorship and Financial Services, is really thinking about people's real cash flow, not just the business revenue. And that's exactly how you build long-term trust with clients who are struggling but serious about rebuilding and repairing their credit. Carlos created a pricing model that actually his clients can afford. Carlos's flexible cash flow-based model. At Econ Learning Center, Credit Boost Mentorship and Financial Services, clients can choose from $20 per week for weekly paid clients, $40 every 2 weeks for bi-weekly paid clients, $50, $80 per month for monthly paid clients. It's the same. Powerful Credit Boost Mentorship, Moss Financial Services, but synced to how clients get paid. That's smart because it feels smaller and more manageable, $20 this week versus $80 this month. And it lines up with when their money actually hits, which reduces cancellations and that "I'll restart next month" pattern. Why this wins for Carlos's and his current and present clients. You know, from the client side, Carlos's system hits because it reduces friction. They're not getting smacked with a big draft right when rent and the car note are due. It feels more like it's like a regular bill they can tuck into their routine. It's like Netflix or their phone. Psychologically, $20 a week feels way lighter than $80 a month, even though the total is similar. But, does this work for Carlos as a business? Carlos do not have to pay for staff, VAs, software, dispute tools, CRM. His job is to handle disputes, letters, analysis, come up with a custom credit repair solutions for his clients. The numbers for Econ Learning Center, Credit Boost Mentorship and Financial Services can work if it's structured right. Right now, average client paying about $60, $80 month equivalent, staying on 6 to 9 months, that's roughly $360, $720 per client before any funding or advanced service. Upsells. 1. 3 simple plans for Econ Learning Center Carlos officially offer right now. Weekly plan, $20, week auto draft, bi-weekly plan, $40 every 2 weeks, monthly plan, around $50 TOB $80 a month, branded as pay the way you get paid, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly with Econ Learning Center Credit Boost Mentorship and Financial Services. 2. No enrollment fee, so Carlos isn't upside down. Even with affordable pricing, Carlos does not charge a one-time onboarding fee of $100, $149 like other major credit repairs organization does. The only fee is the Smart Credit Monitoring $25 monthly fee and mailing the 3 dispute letter fees for all 3 credit reports. Smart Credit transfers their clients 3 credit scores and credit reports like Equifax, TransUnion, Experian to the Credit Versio. Free credit repair coaching software to his clients gets for free. Smart Credit fee will protect you from identity theft. With these resources, credit report, credit scores, credit monitoring, identity theft insurance, dispute credit report. But here is Carlos' unique offer starting at $20 a week. Here are the services that Carlos offers to all his clients. Cleanse, free personal debt freedom analysis, full credit audit, strategic credit boost game plan, setting up the client portal, creating and sending the first batch of disputes. This keeps cash flow healthy while those client. Weekly, bi-weekly, and monthly payments roll in. 3. Funding and performance fees, where Carlos scales up. And this is where Econ Learning Center goes beyond just surviving and actually grows. Keep repair and mentorship low and accessible, just like Carlos designed. Once a client is clean and optimized, Carlos offer a funding service with a success fee, for example 7-12% of total funding secured, or a flat $500, $1,000, $500 when they're approved for a certain funding level. That way, people who are broke but serious can start without being crushed. Carlos still has a big upside when clients actually get results and capital. 4. Carlos's pricing as a marketing weapon. This is a strong angle for Carlos Econ Learning Center Credit Boost Mentorship and Financial Services. Most companies charge $97, $197 month. With Carlos at Econ Learning Center, you can start for as low as $20 week, either online or inside HUS facility by schedule credit 30 minutes or 1 credit repair and monitoring on-site services. So TGE clients don't have to choose between fixing your credit and paying your bills. We match your pay schedule, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, so your Credit Boost mentorship fits your real life. In summary, the Carlos Econ Learning Center Credit Boost Mentorship and Financial Services model is empathetic, accessible, structured to still be profitable and sustainable with a small enrollment fee plus funding success fees on the back end.